Welcome to this house that will be available to rent for you in September. It's got ocean view. We are in a pretty main street that actually makes it pretty safe. I'm gonna tell you why. The neighbors are right next to you. There's no way nobody can come in through any place except the front. And this is very difficult for anybody. So anyway, it's got 3 bedrooms, a loft upstairs, and a balcony with ocean view, and 2.5 bathrooms. It's got the kitchen with a peninsula, but also a laundry room where it can be also a pantry, patio in the back, in the front. It's got a fountain in the front and a garage enclosed for 1 car. So if you need more information, please contact me, Laura Navarro in Ensenada. As you can see, this is the view that you will have from this balcony. The house has 3 bedrooms and a loft, and it's got a kitchen with a little like a peninsula where you can put like bar stools. It's very nice. Remember, this house is going to be available in September for rent. If you want more information, contact me, Laura Navarro in Ensenada, and look at this view.